Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you a real estate investor looking for a cash deal? We have a great one for you. Consider this fantastic opportunity to own this 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom split level building with 3 completed apartments, 1 partially completed apartment, and plenty room to add a few more. The apartments are already tenanted, so you begin earning the very same day you become the new owner. This property sits on 0.23 acres, and Moneague Housing Scheme is an ideal location to own rental property as it is between Kingston and Ocho Rios. The Moneague College is also located walking distance away, so there is always the prospect for good rentals in this area. The property is a great deal available for cash purchasers only. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.